Alright guys, well, welcome to Dice Media TV once again. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that anytime we get information we will share it very fast for you. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box. When you tap on the link, it will pop up like this. So it will be verifying your connection. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do after the verification is done, you have to verify you are a human being. All right, so you have to tick the box. So after you tick it, it will verify again. Right now, so it says success, so it will open the website for us. So the next thing that you have to do, you have to log in or connect with your own address. Otherwise, anytime that you open the website, it will always read the XVERGE for you without getting anything from it. So right now you go to Binance, a crypto wallet called Binance. So okay, so when you open your Binance account, you have to go to deposit, the deposit on top, the yellow button here. Alright, so after you go there, the next thing that you have to do is go to where they've written I have crypto asset, then come here, so deposit crypto. So when you go to deposit crypto, the next thing that you have to do is go to the search engine, search for XVERGE. This is the Verge. Alright, so this is the logo and everything. So when you tap on it, it will open the Verge like this. Then you choose the network Verge. Alright, so after choosing the network as Verge, this is what it will come. Then you copy your wallet address, so you tap here to copy. Then you go back to the website. Then you come back to the website. So the next thing that you have to do is to paste in the address that you copied here. So come and paste the address that you copied. So let me use this. So paste. Alright, then you go to connect. Alright, so it will be opening like this. So you can see that I have the account already. So right now I'm having an available reward balance of 0.06 Verge or XVERGE. So I'm going to show you some of the withdrawals. So you can see that they've written here total payout. So there's a total payout. Total payout reward fund is 1.45 Verge. Alright, so for this one I can prove with it at my Binance account and from the email that I received from Binance. Alright, so for this project you can deposit for your mining speed to goes high, but normally this project don't last for long. So I will advise you to just mine it without any deposit. You can do the deposit at your own risk. So that is not my recommendation. So if you want to do the deposit, you can do it so that your mining rate will go high. What you have to do next is to go to Referral. If you want to share for other people to benefit from this project, go to Referral. Then you copy your address to them, so your referral. When you scroll up down, then you go to copy. Then you copy your address, then you share for someone also to join. Thank you very much for being with Dice Media. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment and share for other people to also benefit from it. Please keep in mind that airdrops are 100% free. Don't pay any fee or penny for any airdrop. Also do your own research before joining any airdrop. Lastly, keep in mind that not every airdrop will succeed.